That sleek, beautiful ponytail that you just saw. So to start off, I have to detangle this mane right here. So what I do is I section off my hair first from the back. I start from the back of my hair and I'm just gonna section it off. So now that my hair is sectioned off, just sectioned it off like that, I am going to spray my hair. I have my original spray bottle and I'm just going to spray my hair. I have to cover myself with a towel because I don't want to wet my shirt up. So spray my hair with some water. My hair has to be soaking wet to get this to look good. So now that I sprayed my hair, I'm going to use my As I Am So Much Moisture hydrating lotion. So this is just to bring back some moisture in my hair from the last time I moisturized my hair, and it's pretty watery, guys. So I'm going to use my white tooth comb to detangle the area. Hey guys, so I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel now, and this is the green one, which is the olive oil one. So yeah, this is the olive oil version. I've used the argan oil and the coconut oil one, and I absolutely love the olive oil one more because I feel like it holds my hair a lot better. But I've recently started to use this one though. So I'm just smoothing the product. I hope you guys can see. I'm just smoothing the product on top of my hair from the roots and just smoothing it down to my ends. Guys, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna take my Denman brush. I'm gonna take my Denman brush and I'm just going to spread the product all throughout my hair and start the sleeking process. I'm gonna just take my hair tie now and I'm just going to tie this section. This is how it looks so far. And I'm just going to section off my hair again and repeat the process. Okay guys, so here I'm just parting my hair down the middle so I can further sleek the other sections. Okay guys, so all you have to do is wet your hair in water, apply your moisturizing product of choice. In this case, I'm using my moisturizing hydrating lotion, and then I detangle my hair with my wide tooth comb, and then I smooth the gel on top of my hair and start to sleek my hair down. Guys, disregard me bumping to my music, okay? I did not want to edit out this clip. Are you seeing these waves though? Are you seeing these waves, fam? Oh my god, guys, I absolutely love to see my waves come out. Okay guys, so here I'm using a completely different hair tie. I use this to tie my hair once again because if I pull everything, then my hair will not be as sleek. I will have puffy spots, so I have to use a different hair tie. And then I'm just gonna go in, apply more gel, brush some more, and make sure everything is sleek and ready. Guys, go check out my how I do my edges video if you want to see how I do my edges. Just finished my makeup and I'm going to apply my ponytail now. So this is my ponytail. This is a curly weave that I bought the other day. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see me in this hair. So I took some to put on my ponytail. So it's kind of folded in like 4 because I can't bother to unravel all of this. So this is where it will be staying. So firstly, I'm going to use a bobby pin and I'm going to pin this section, the first section, to start wrapping it around my hair. Then I'll be wrapping the hair around. Each time I wrap, guys, I'm going to apply a bobby pin to the top. Man, people are all these. Okay, now I'm going to take this much hair, guys, and I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail to conceal the track.